After being found guilty of murder, Megan Boswell asks for a new trial. A jury found Megan Boswell guilty of all 19 charges against her on Thursday. She was given a life sentence in jail, which included 3 counts of first-degree murder. On the same afternoon, though, her lawyer asked for a new hearing. A request made at 2:41 p.m. on Thursday says that Boswell's lawyer Jean Scott has asked the court to drop the charges against her or give her a new hearing. The motion says, there was not enough evidence in the record to support the defendant's convictions for first-degree murder, 2 counts of felony murder, aggravated child abuse, aggravated child neglect, tampering with evidence, 11 counts of false reports, abuse of corpse, and failure to report a death in suspicious, unusual, or unnatural circumstances. Scott also said there wasn't enough proof and that the multiple counts of fake reports violated the due process rights in the U.S. and Tennessee constitutions. Fox 11 News talked to Scott after the hearing. He said that even though some people outside of court didn't agree with his defense of Boswell, he stood by it. Scott said, "It's a sad case. I know the media has criticized me a lot for defending Megan, but everyone has the right to one, and I hope I gave her the best one I could." They tried Boswell for a week and had more than 30 witnesses talk. They found her guilty on all 19 charges related to the death of her baby daughter Evelyn Boswell. The jurors decided that she should get a life sentence after finding her guilty of 3 first-degree murder charges. They then had to decide if she should be eligible for release during her term. During Boswell's short sentence hearing, her lawyers called 3 people to talk about the hard times she had as a child. In the end, the jury gave her a life term in jail with the chance of release. Boswell has to serve 51 years in prison before she can get release. Her sentence hearing is set for May 22. Judge Jim Goodwin could decide at that meeting whether Boswell's sentences for her other 16 charges should be given before or after her murder term.